Everybody, this is Reverend Kit Holmes. It is Wednesday, the 10th of December, 2025. Man, we are coming up on the end of it, aren't we? I'm talking today about details, and more importantly, how to stay out of a sense of overwhelm in all of the details that you might be trying to gather and line up and get done in task lists and things like that. I'm in the middle of that myself. And that's what I'm talking about today. And how do we let go of or prevent the sense of overwhelm? I will address this from the standpoint of a recovering perfectionist. And so what that means is letting go that everything must be done today, that everything must be done perfectly, that everything must be done by you specifically and only you. This is that part of it. Stay out of overwhelm. How we stay out of overwhelm is the baby steps. And yes, the priorities. And I have my task list and I have my priorities and I have things on my calendar and, the order of business and things that need to come up. And of course, other stuff gets in the way. And I am experiencing right now with some things that are coming up for me, I'm experiencing that sense of an inner sense of, oh my God, I don't have enough things on the list. I haven't looked at all of the details and I have to figure them out now. And how I am staying out of overwhelm is I'm asking for help. It's a big step. It's progress for me. It is growth for me. It is still uncomfortable for me to ask for help. But if I don't, I know that everything wants you, not everything, but there's a big part of me, an old part of me that wants to shut down and say, I don't want to do any of it. That's perfectionism. That's overwhelm. So there are your steps for the week. Baby steps. Focus and affirm and set an intention that only the things that are to be done by you, that only you can do today, get done. And the rest of it gets delegated or waits till tomorrow. It's not blowing it off day after day after day, no. But it's focusing in that way, detail, phone call. I think you know what I'm saying. And asking for help. People will love to step in to help you with little things and maybe have simpler ways of doing them or more efficient ways of doing them. It's all part of the process. I'm in the middle of it. I'm in the middle of it myself right now. So, and even doing One Mind Wednesday today was a part of that. Was, oh God, I got to do One Mind Wednesday. And I've shifted that to, I get to do One Mind Wednesday today. So thank you for being here. Thank you for watching. Thank you for sharing. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for all of those things. Thank you for just being who you are in the world. That's all I got for you today. This is Reverend Kit Holmes. I will see you next Wednesday here on One Mind Wednesday. All of the videos on my YouTube channel. That address is in the description of this post. So remember, we are all a part of the One Mind, which means we are all in this together. So kindness matters, and love is indeed the only answer. I love you all dearly. I will see you again next week. Take care. Go easy.